Now in Python, we have what are known as keywords. And these are nothing other than words that we cannot use in our own variables or our own function definitions. They are reserved for specific operations in Python and define the syntax and structure of the Python language. In Python, keywords are case sensitive, and there are 36 keywords as of Python version 3.9. And this number can vary slightly over the course of time if new ones are added. Now, Python keywords are always available, and you do not need to do anything in order to use them, so you don't need to import them, for example, into your code. All the keywords except true, false, and none are in lowercase, and they must be written as they are. I have attached in the resources section a list of all the keywords. Now, you're not expected to learn all of these keywords, and depending on the development environment that you've opted to use, when you do enter in a reserved keyword, you will get different syntax highlighting compared to normal, so you will be notified. So for example, if I type in the keyword true, which is a Boolean value, you can see it's highlighted in green in my Jupyter notebook. So this indicates to me that I can't use it as a variable name. In fact, even if I try to assign the keyword true a value, I will run into a syntax error. So take a look at the keywords in the resources section. Over time, you will get more familiar with what the keywords are and when they should be used. If you try to use a keyword in a variable assignment or a function, your IDE will likely give you a clue with different syntax highlighting, or will throw an error telling you that you've tried to do something that Python doesn't like if you try executing the code. So to summarize, there are 36 reserved keywords in Python as of version 3.9, which should not be used for anything else other than the purpose they are intended for.